Hi everyone. Now I am going to take Lesender's linear differential equation. So the equation is in the form of ax plus b whole to the power of n d power n into y by dx power n plus k1 into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 d power n minus 1 into y by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on kn into y is equal to capital X. This is the general form of the Lesender's linear differential equation. How to solve these type of differential equation? In this lecture we want to discuss here, where k's are constants and x is the function of x. So we are going to solve this type of differential equation with the given substitutions. The substitution number 1, ax plus b is equal to e power t, which means t is equal to log of ax plus b, and also ax plus b into dy by dx can be replaced by a into dy, and ax plus b whole to the power of 2 into d square y by dx square is equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. Similarly, ax plus b whole to the power of 3 d cube y by dx cube is equal to a cube into d minus 1 d minus 2 into y, and so on. So we are going to solve one question here. 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 into sine of log of 1 plus x. This is our question. So according to these substitutions, we are going to solve this question. First, let us substitute 1 plus x whole square into d square y by dx square can be written as this one. Here ax plus b is 1 plus x. A is nothing but 1 and b is nothing but 1. So put 1 plus x is equal to e power t. This is the first substitution, which implies t is equal to log of 1 plus x. This is the basic substitution. After that, 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square can be written as 1 plus x whole square d square y by dx square is equal to actually a square into d minus 1 into y. Here a is nothing but 1. So d into d minus 1 into y, and 1 plus x dy by dx can be written as a into dy. So a is 1 means dy. Here d is nothing but d by dt. These are the substitutions. Then equation number 1 can be written as this is d into d minus 1 into y plus 1 plus x into dy by dx is dy plus y is equal to 2 into sine of log of 1 plus x can be written as t, 2 sine t. We can simplify this one for we getting symbolic form of the given differential equation. D square y minus dy plus dy plus y. This is simplification. 2 sine t plus dy minus dy gets cancelled. So which can be written as d square plus 1 into y is equal to 2 sine t. So how to solve this equation, which is called linear differential equation with constant coefficients, which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to some q of t. And how to solve this equation? We are going to solve this type of differential equation with the help of complementary function as well as particular integral. Complementary function means for we getting complementary function, we consider auxiliary equation, that is f of d is equal to 0 which means d square plus 1 is equal to 0. We are getting complex roots. How to write complex roots? For we getting complex roots, we are solving this one. Already I have given last lectures. The complementary function is CF is equal to C1 cos t plus C2 sin t, which is alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha should be 0, beta is nothing but 1. So C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. So after getting the complementary function, let us substitute. Actually our problem is in terms of x, but we are writing t, so that we can substitute C1 cos t is nothing but log of 1 plus x plus C2 into sin of log of 1 plus x. This is the complementary function, the given problem. Now we are going to find the particular integral. So what is the formula for particular integral? 1 by f of d into q of x or q of t, which is equal to 1 by f of d means d square plus 1, q of t 2 sin t. So which is equal to type number 2. So type number 2, replace. What is the replacement? D square by minus b square. That means minus b square is minus 1. So what we are getting here? Minus 1 means it will be 0. So the formula is, for suppose it will be 0, what happened? 1 by d square plus 1 into 2 sin t. 2 is here, x by 2b, that means t by 2b, 2 into b means 1, cos t. We can write for formula here, sin bx by f of d square. After substituting it will be 0, x by 2b into cos bx. So sin bx by f of d square, x by 2b, sorry here minus, means minus x by 2b into cos bx. This is the formula. So this is particular integral. The 2 gets cancelled, therefore PA is equal to minus t cos t. But our answer is in terms of x, so that we can replace. T is replaced by here. What is the t? 1 plus x, minus 1 plus x cos of log of 1 plus x. This is particular integral. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to CF plus PA. Let us substitute y is equal to C1 cos log of 1 plus x plus C2 sin of log of 1 plus x minus 1 plus x cos of log of 1 plus x. This is the final general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understand this one. If you have any doubt, comment on chat box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.